I don't wanna do it in front of you now.
Okay.
Let's get YouTube. We had this car meet now with you know who. You don't know. Fuck it. That's it. I'm just gonna walk around this car meet for a little bit, give y'all something. It's probably gonna be a short video, but catch y'all. And then
Walk around with you.
it's a lot of Subarus. Subi, WRX. Colors. Yeah, bronze wheels like mine. Wide body. That one's actually hard though. I like it. C8.
There's liquor later?
This is a Z06? Oh no. I thought this was a Z06. I was gonna say. This is clean, I ain't gonna lie. Will should have came because he's over here talking about he wants one. Is it a Z06? No. Because you can tell it's a Z06 if you see the full quad pipes right here. This, ooh, old school. Who the fuck is calling me? Alright, back at it. Look at this one. GTR, I saw this. Miguel. What's going on?
What time you show up?
Man, that's my little brother Jeremiah.
Jeremiah? You're the second Jeremiah here. Yeah. Guy with the outfit. Yeah, that's Jeremiah too.
Okay. Is Ani inside?
Yeah.
Okay. Damn. Look at the wheels. This thing be walking people. Another one, slicks. Big ass slicks. You don't need them. That's a GT500. This one, I like the little decals. It's alright. I don't know what he think he doing. There's no parking spots. That makes fun. Nice. Yeah, hood pins. Shit hard though. Oh, it's bags. I want bags. Ooh. Look at that 7. This shit's hard. License plate, that's the Japanese license plate. Oh, another R33. Oh shit, hold on. Lincoln. Sketty. I see this is at the with the Camaro?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is hard. Wide body. He was at that Camaro was at the last car meet I went to on Westland Bowl. Only thing I don't like is the doors are kind of tacky. Yeah, this is hard. Interior. Little roll cage on the inside. This isn't. God. ZL6 body. That is ZL6. This shit was slicks. Slick. Got copyright playing, so I'll probably just mute it. Put my own music over. This car went is TikTok was not I say TikTok famous, but it blew up on TikTok a while ago because this one glows in the dark. The wrap glows in the dark. What is it? Let me see if I can find the name. Oh, Six Subi. Hold on. Give me a second. Right here. $15,000 wrap. See it glow? Hold it so I can focus it on the camera. Like, look. $15,000 on a wrap. There should be. Hold on. Let me see if I can. Look, bro.
That's crazy.
Exactly. People like reacting to it. Like, and this was back in 2021. I met Ani. What's this? I see this. I think whoever owns that one lives over in our neighborhood because I see them drive by every time.
For real?
Yes. Look at that. That's what I was talking about. It's hard. Damn. Man, if Junior was here, he'd have a.
He'd have a heart attack.
Bruh, he loves JDM. Oh my god, look at the paint on this. Look at the paint. Hold on, let's see if I can focus it. Kick the hell up this screen. Let's see. That wheel's kind of. I don't know.
I don't like the way. I like the steering wheel.
I don't know either. I kicked the shit out of it. I didn't even move my foot as much either. Lower. We looked at each other like, ooh. Oh my gosh. Look, Jeremiah. Look how much
That's
you think
so clean.
how much you think they spent on just the trunk alone?
30,000.
At least.
30,000.
Take at least like a $15,000 car and turn it to like 75 with everything he did to it. SOTA. Bro, look at the fake money in the dash.
No.
I was gonna snatch it. I ain't gonna lie.
Of course.
Oh yeah, because I'm black. Is that what you're gonna say? Oh, line in the middle. I like the little lights. I like the lights on the floor. It's like starlights on the ground. You see it? Like, look in there. These are the two hardest cars in this section, besides this GTR. Another. Damn. Look at the detail they put into this one. Look at they went down to the engine. Oh, down to the fuse box. It's crazy. And this one. Oh my gosh. Jeremiah, look in here.
God.
Look, they have chandelier.
That's so
For us. You know
I
what that-
saw a car on TikTok do that. They had chandelier.
That's called Japanese style. Cause there's some, in like Japan, they actually have like the old like 90s Camry that came with blinds and chandelier in the ceiling. Like they came with it. And the TV in the trunk, bro. I haven't seen this since like early 2000s. People on
crazy.
dunks.
That's crazy.
That's the airlift to like drop it and bring it up. Golly. This one, this Tesla, they were wrapping it for like maybe like 2 months straight, because the owner didn't want it as urgent. They just told them to take their time, and it was just sitting. That's look how dusty it is. And this one was here literally Friday.